Good morning, students. Let us see further continuation of the first chapter of 9th English Medium School students. Classification of computer. So let us see, computer can be classified according to the purpose, application and their size. So these are three categories through this computer can be classified: purpose, application and their size. Let us see one by one. Types of computer on the basis of purpose are the two types: general purpose computer, special purpose computer. Let's see in brief. Whenever you say general purpose computer, are those computers that can be generally accepted, used by everyone. They are not general purpose computer. For example, shopkeeper, any businessman can be used such type of computer. Whereas special purpose computer, they are used for particular purpose. For example, scientist purpose. For example, weather forecasting. For example, space aviation purpose. So they are for particular purpose. So let's see in detail. General purpose computer. Computer that follow the instructions for the general requirements, such as sales analysis. Sales analysis is whenever anyone sells the product from the shops, then after one day he is analyzing it, how many product he had sold, what is profit, what is loss, he can find out through the sales analysis. Financial accounting, where transaction take place. Invoicing management information, where it look all the bill system, etc. are called general purpose computer. So this computer can be used by everyone. Now let us see special purpose computer. Computer that are designed to perform special tasks like scientific application and research. Scientific applications and research, weather forecasting, space application, medical diagnosis, etc. are called special purpose computer. So they are those computers, they are used for particular purpose. For example, doctor purpose, scientist purpose, weather forecasting purpose. So they are the various purpose. That's why they are known as special purpose computer. Then let us see types of computer on the basis of applications. According to the application, computer can be classified into three types. They are analog, digital and hybrid computer. Let us see one by one. Analog computer. An analog computer continuously measure a particular physical property and perform computations on this measurement. So for example, speedometer. So here it shows the continuous movement like waveform, or we can say when we check the speedometer, the needle shows the kilometer, how many kilometer, how much, what is the speed of the vehicle. For example, the position needle related to a dial represent the speed of car in kilometer. They can be done through the analog signal. So this can be the example of analog signal. Let's see digital computer. A digital computer essentially is a machine that works on discrete digit. It's based on the number or numbers. All processing carried out in terms of numeric representation of information. So here information can be represented in form of information that being processed. The numbering systems will used binary number, that's 0 and 1. 0 represent absence of current, 1 represents presence of current. That is, they are binary number. Hybrid computer. This computer incorporate both digital and analog elements. So this is the combination of both hybrid analog computer as well as digital computer. They have advantages of memory where program instructions can be stored and executed. Over here, program can be stored in the memory and then it executed. They can store the physical variable by converting them into the digital expression. So here they are storing the values in the physical variable and then they can be convert into digital expression. Hybrid computer convert measurement of physical properties into the digital statement. So here it shows the result in the form of digital statements. Let us see the third. On the basis of size. On the basis of size. Third one, the computer can be classified on the basis of size. So here size shows supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. So here let us see one by one. Supercomputer. These are amongst the fastest machine in terms of processing speed, using multiprocessing techniques where a number of processors are used to solve a problem. So in supercomputer we can say that a number of processors are there to solve number of problems at the same time. Various manufacturing companies are there of developing supercomputer. They are Cray, ETA, IBM, Hitachi, etc. So these are the various companies for developing supercomputer. Let us see the mainframe computer. These are the large computer and generally 32 bits machine. It has a large digit storage, several gigabytes of data, and transfer data from disk to the main memory. It provides services such as user accounting, file security, and control. So in the mainframe computer, they are in large size, good storage, and they can use for the transferring data. Mini computer, it is a mini version of mainframe computer. So mini computer means they are small in size and smaller and cheaper. With the advancement of technology, the speed, memory, and other characteristics developed, and the mini computers were used for various standalone or dedicated applications. So here this can be used for that particular purpose in dedicated applications. Whereas microcomputer is a small general purpose computer. The first microcomputer was built around 8-bit microprocessor chips, and later on it's become 16 or 32 bits. So bits nothing, it's characteristics. In number of characters can be accepted. First 8 bit and then it become increased 16 and then it become 32 bits. With the advanced